This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
तमाम प्रदेशों का जब उदाहरण दिया जाता है तो कहीं ना कहीं उत्तर प्रदेश पीछे दिखाई दे, उत्तर प्रदेश भी खड़ा दिखाई दे बराबर।
अखिलेश इज अ गुड यूथ लीडर।
भरोसा है कि आप सब लोगों का सहयोग मदद मिल जाएगी। लेकिन मंत्रियों को हटना पड़ा है।
अभी जो जनमत मिला है वो इसलिए जनमत मिला है कि उत्तर प्रदेश खुशहाली के रास्ते पर जाए।
समाजवादी पार्टी ने किया है तो उनके खिलाफ भी कार्रवाई होगी, उन्हें भी छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा।
As a new chief minister takes charge in Uttar Pradesh, we find out the hopes and aspirations of the people. Do the dreams continue?
He is the youngest chief minister of UP, and so we expect a lot from him.
He have to do something innovative, as youngsters are always known for the innovative type of thinking.
He has a good opportunity. उन्हें यूपी के लिए अच्छा काम करना चाहिए।
अखिलेश जी का चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना हमारे इस युवा जगत के लिए, भारत में जहाँ के सबसे अधिक युवा हैं, एक अच्छे संदेश देते हैं।
We expected a lot from Akhilesh Yadav ji, but as we have seen his members, ministries, so it was really disappointing.
He promised that he will not give any, support to mafias or tainted ministers. But if you see his cabinet, Arvind Singh Gop, Raja Bhaiya, Balram Yadav, Parasnath Yadav, Ambika Chaudhary, and even Shivpal Yadav. Now they all have a criminal background, you can't deny it.
While distributing the tickets, he had selected so many youths and he had given youngest youths, 27 years, two members he had in his party, and they had also won the elections. He had faculty, one of the faculty from IIMs. So we expect these sort of peoples in the ministries, so that they can do something innovative.
If you are saying that we are going to start afresh, we are going to change our image, but you are doing the same thing.
बहुत सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज आ रही है इस बात को लेके कि उनके कैबिनेट में मिनिस्टर्स अच्छे नहीं हैं, उनके पॉलिसीज़ क्या काम करेंगे या नहीं। लेकिन एक बार जब उन्होंने शपथ ले लिया है 5 साल के लिए, तो उन्हें 5 साल में किसी की नहीं सुननी चाहिए। जो उन्हें ठीक लगता है, जो उनके कैबिनेट को ठीक लगता है, वो करना चाहिए। वो उनको जनता के भरोसे पे खड़ा उतरना है। अब वो इस बात को जैसे करें।
मेरा मानना है अखिलेश यादव ने जो अपना सारा प्रपोजल लेकर आया, उन्होंने बेरोजगारी भत्ता क्यों दे रहा है? उन्हें तो रोज़गार बढ़ाना चाहिए। इस तरह से लैपटॉप क्लास 10th के बाद टैबलेट, लैपटॉप, ये सब का कोई यूज़ नहीं है। कुछ ऐसे कोर्सेज लेकर आना चाहिए जिससे स्टूडेंट का career scope growth ho.
I don't know how he will manage this type of funds, from where this fund will come. So I'm totally confused, like is it a kind of illusion he's trying to putting up in the public, or really he is going to do?
We don't have much scope in Varanasi. People have to rush out of their state, and when they go outside, surviving outside of Varanasi or outside UP is also a tough task. So people in UP, they are willing to get some kind of job in government sector. They have a D grade job even in government sector. They feel that they are a millionaire. Unemployment allowance, it's not really an amazing thing that people should yell about it. If they are in age of 35 years, they would at least have 2 child. And managing themselves is a tough task in 2000 rupees. How can they manage their wife and their 2 children or 1 children in age of 35 with 2000 rupees? I think it's a political game that he played to attract students towards some kind of vote strategy and all. This is an only place wherein you can get the employment office in radius of 40 kilometers. So people are coming from 40-45 kilometers to register themselves, and they really don't know. They just know that they have to register and to get the money. They really don't know the criteria, or it was in hidden way that they didn't describe it in the beginning. The crowd is way high. You can count them, more than 10,000 people are in a day coming over here, and only 2,000 people get registered. I did register myself, and it was a tough task to register, but after 3 or 4 days, due to long queues or I don't know, people were very much crazy about this unemployment allowance that they were getting. So they were very crazy, and me too. I'm also an unemployed person, so I was wondering, like, if getting 2,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees, so it's gonna be somewhere good for myself. So I was also interested, so I went and I tried to register myself, but I couldn't do so. So they also gave an option to register online registration. So I tried the online registration, and at the end I did the online registration. And there is a procedure that you have to stamp all your documents within the 3 months of your online registration. So that's what is pending, and again that is going to take a good amount of time.